Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. So, I have a subscriber that is asking me about the windshield frame of a Thing and how to remove, I guess his frame is rusty and whatnot, and how to get the glass out and separate the pieces. So, here's how you do that. Obviously put the top down if you have a convertible top, take the hard top off, unhook your latches up here, okay? Unhook your latches here, right, at some point if you need to remove the whole thing. But what I would do is take the top down, pop the latches, take the top down, and then you're gonna have two screws here, okay? Right there, two. You need to remove these, okay? They're on both sides, okay? Now by doing that, it should allow you to separate these two, the lower windshield half from the top windshield half. The top is the big U, okay? By removing these, you should have one person on each side and just wiggle it out, okay? Wiggle up, all right? I would leave it latched here for this piece. You want it secure. Leave your latches in, leave it attached to the hood for this. Take it out, set it on the table. The glass should slide right out. Put your new seal in, slide your new, actually I put the seal on the glass, the new glass, and then I slid the glass with the seal into the track here. It's got a track along here. And then you're there. And then I bring it back over with this latched in and slide this down in. Now, if it's fighting you, we did have to unlatch here and kind of wiggle forward just a little bit on the top frame for it to slide completely in, and then you just put your screws in. That's as easy as it is. It took us 15 minutes to put the glass in this, which I expected to have half a day in it. So, that's how we did that. And one thing I highly recommend, once you remove these screws, run a tap through it, a tap and die. Clean up your threads, okay? And if it was me, I would go to the hardware store. I would take the screw, if you can get any of the screws out and you don't have to drill them out, take the screw to the hardware store, get some stainless steel screws, and put them back in. That's how I would do this. But again, super simple. These two bolts, bolts, there, two over there on this side, and then just wiggle it out. All right, wiggle up. Make sure your top's down and unlatched and all that, and should, in theory, come out pretty easy. Now you might have to pry and, you know, all the things here, but whatever you got to do to get it out. But I did not have to do anything with these. it's just these two here and those two there, which will separate the windshield frames. So hope that helps. Sorry it took me so long to get you a video, buddy. We were in Paris, France, and Rome, Italy when I got your message, but I haven't forgot you. And hopefully this helps you. If you need any help with anything else, just reach out to me, and I'm more than happy to make videos for you guys and kind of explain what we did and how to do it if you need to. And you know, again, by no means am I a thing expert. I just have experience building this thing, and you know, but I'm willing to help you guys if you need it. So anyway, hope you have a great night. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching Brown's Dragon Custom. Please like and subscribe to the channel.